April is a great time to be gardening here in Western Australia. The days are getting shorter and cooler, which is great for you and your plants. So make the most of it during April. Here's a few ideas of what you can be doing this month in your garden in WA. This month, the focus is on citrus. No garden is complete without a citrus tree. There are a few common ones you can go with, like limes, oranges, and lemons. They've got great foliage that's aromatic as well as flowers that are pretty and fragrant. And in the right conditions, produce great amounts of fruit. If you're short on space, why not think about growing a dwarf tree? They grow great in pots, and make sure that you give them plenty of water and repot them every year. Why not think about growing some roses? There's plenty in store at the moment, they have great flowers, and they're a hardy plant that grows well in a sunny location. Don't forget your veggie patch either. It's a great time to plant lettuce, carrots, and beetroot. Personally, I like to plant carrots and beetroot by seed because they grow much better. Also consider onion and garlic. If you plant the garlic cloves now, they'll be ready to harvest by December. It's a long investment, but it definitely pays off. If you're really not sure what to get, then pop into the store and we'll give you all the advice you need. Don't forget our perfect plant promise. All our plants, except seedlings, are guaranteed for 12 months. So if you're not 100% happy with your purchase, then bring in your receipt and your plant and we'll refund it for you. Don't forget to get out there and harvest all the produce that's ripe and ready in your garden right now. Tomatoes and chilies are at the end of their growing season, so it's the best time to be harvesting them right now. You could also be harvesting things like beetroot, lettuce, and herbs such as basil. In April, there's quite a lot of things to do in the garden. Great time to get out there with the secateurs and give everything a good prune. Any dead growth or spent flowers. Don't forget to keep an eye on your watering needs. The autumn rains are coming soon, so it's a great time to put down some wetting agents to make the most of those rains. As the weather cools at WA, it's a great time to be out in the garden, so make the most of it this weekend. So come on down to your local Bunnings store and talk to some of our experts. Find out exactly what plants would be great in your garden and choose from our wide range. Click here for more gardening advice. Click here to go back to the website.